let's write down a note on valency. But before I help you write down a note on valency, let's understand what is a stable electronic configuration. Think about this carefully. If you have an atom of a particular element and it has only one orbit, if it has a single orbit, and that particular orbit, that single orbit, that first orbit is completely filled with a total of 2 electrons, then that element is considered to be stable according to the duplet rule. Who is the element which is stable according to the duplet rule? Our first noble gas, which happens to be helium. But you can also be stable according to something which is called as the octet rule. Have a look. If you have an atom of a particular element and it has exactly 8 electrons in the outermost shell, in the valence shell, then it is stable according to the octet rule, which is neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. All of these gases are going to follow the octet rule and they are going to have 8 electrons in the last shell, in the valence shell. But now the problem is, all other elements except the noble gases are considered to be unstable. To gain stability, what will they do? They are going to combine with different elements, and when they combine with different elements, they will ultimately achieve the noble gas configuration. That, my dear child, is how you define valency. Let's write it down. What is valency exactly? Very, very simple. The capacity of an element to combine with other elements, it's called as its valency.